Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn our next short vowel, that is a sound. Let us see some words. V, a, b, web. B, a, d, bed. F, a, d, fed. L, a, d, led. R, a, d, red. V, a, d, red. B, a, g, beg. L, a, g, leg. P, a, g, peg. D, a, den. H, a, hen. A, men. P, a, pen. T, a, ten. B, a, t, bet. G, a, t, get. J, a, t, jet. L, a, t, let. A, t, met. A, t, net. S, a, t, set. V, a, t, wet. W, a, t, wet. B, a, d, bend. L, a, d, lend. A, d, mend. S, a, d, send. T, a, d, tend. B, a, t, bent. D, a, t, dent. L, a, t, lent. R, a, t, rent. S, a, t, scent. T, a, t, tent. B, a, s, t, best. A, s, t, nest. P, a, s, t, pest. R, a, s, t, rest. T, a, s, t, test. If you like this video, then like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.